Hi, I'm Jonny Shiell Detailing, car care professional at AM Auto House in Slough. And today, I'm going to talk you through some of the little things we find on used cars that are such an easy fix that can make this car look absolutely fantastic. So on this panel here, we've got some little bit of hologramming from someone who's decided at home to try and polish their own car. And as we know, car detailing is quite specific if you use the wrong pad, use polish, and the wrong machine. So today we're going to remove all of these holograms. Hopefully the new owner is going to be absolutely blown away by the result. So now we've clay barred the vehicle, we're now ready to go ahead on our polishing step. Today I'm using the Flex XCE, we've got the Rupes medium cut wall pad, and we've got some Flex hard cutting compound. This paint has already had a test spot, and we found that this is a fantastic result for this paint. So let's get on and restore this paint. Let's swap out now to a finishing pad and get this looking absolutely gorgeous. I think you'll agree that's looking 10 times better. So let's buff all this off, give it a little panel wipe and check for inspection. So now we've finished the cutting step and the refining step, we've now got the clarity back in the paint. We've now got a fantastic bit of correction, followed up with a lovely bit of gloss. We're going to continue working down the side of the car. This was an isolated area from where someone obviously polished it. The rest of the car looks absolutely fantastic. So all we're going to do is refine the rest of the car and get this ready for protection. And so if you really enjoy the details, coming up in the next video, I'm going to show you how to restore the clarity to your glass. Glass is a real pain when it comes to cars that are kept outside or cars that have been taken through car washes. What happens is you can get chemical staining or water spotting from the rain, and it can bed itself into the glass. And I'm going to show you a quick little tip on exactly how to restore that clarity, which is going to make your glass cleaning when you're washing your car an absolute doddle. So give us a like, give us a follow, and I'll see you over there.